Tesla CEO Elon Musk hosted the US Labor Secretary Marty Walsh at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, providing him with a tour of the factory this afternoon. The meeting took place just 1 week after Walsh invited Musk to give him a call to talk about anything he'd like to talk about. A week ago, he said to Tesla CEO, Elon Musk should give me a call, says US Labor Secretary. He said, I'd love to have a conversation with Mr. Musk and talk about anything he'd like to talk about. Certainly, it's a big company in the United States, a very innovative company in the USA. Indeed, Tesla is a big company, and it's good to see that the US government is starting to pay more attention to Tesla and interested to talk to Tesla, specifically possibly making and speeding up the transition to electric vehicles, considering how high the prices of gas are now. Musk and Walsh of the Joe Biden's administration reportedly had a 75-minute conversation about inflation, state of American innovation, and job creation in Texas. Elon Musk said he wants to keep the conversation going, according to Axios, which shared a picture of the pair inside Giga Texas overlooking a part of the Model Y production area. Meeting with government officials comes after a long period of Musk's criticism of the White House. If you have been following Tesla news, you probably have known about this already. Now, Joe Biden had for a long time not given Tesla any attention and credit for job creation and electric vehicle leadership in America, deciding instead to focus on union-friendly automakers like GM and Ford. The factory tour came just ahead of its planned GigaFest on April 7th. Tesla has invested $1.5 billion into this brand and new production facility in Texas. This factory is also Tesla's new headquarters, recently relocated from California. And you know that Elon Musk said that he would relocate from California because Musk was unhappy about the delays of the California's, the county in which the Fremont factory is located. I forgot the county's name. I think it wasn't it Alameda County or something like that? About reopening the factory, while in Gigafactory Shanghai, Elon Musk and Tesla were able to start and restart the production during the pandemic virus time. After 10 days of shutdown, Tesla quickly came up with regulations on how everything should be done in a safe manner, and they opened. And since it didn't happen that way in California, Elon Musk then said that he would move the headquarters from California to Texas. Now, Giga Texas is very big, and it's good to see that the US Labor Secretary is touring the factory. I think dignitaries will be there at the opening of Giga Texas. It was lightning speed production, actually construction of the factory. And same is expected, something like that at Gigafactory Berlin, friends. As we know, I believe it is March 22nd that Gigafactory Berlin is going to reopen and start deliveries, because I think March 22nd or 23rd, I don't remember off the top of my head. I'm trying this new format to talk to you in a friendly manner, hopefully with shorter videos, to see how they do. If they get more interest, I will probably continue doing this. Please, if you are interested in this shorter format, support this channel and share in social media, subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news. So, Gigafactory Berlin, we will see the deliveries starting at the end of this month. There is a delivery set event. If any one of you is in Germany and is planning to go, or you guys are in Europe and is planning to go to the delivery event, let me know. I would really appreciate some unique pictures or videos sent to me to this channel so we can share with Torque News subscribers and followers. And so that's very exciting about Giga Berlin. And also Giga Texas has the, I think the April 7th same feast event as Elon Musk and Tesla held at Giga Berlin, I think a month or so ago, or when they invited the public. I think 15,000 people attended the event in Gigafactory Texas, actually Gigafactory Berlin. So lots of exciting news. Prices of Tesla have gone up across the line because of the shortage, because of chip shortage, and because of many other things. So that's what's happening. So stay tuned with us, friends. I will bring some more interesting news later today in this format. And let me know if you guys like this format. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And I'll see you soon in our next Tesla story.